students, welcome back. Now we are going to see the superior mediastinum and its boundaries here. So this part is the superior mediastinum. Okay. So the superior mediastinum, anteriorly it is bounded by manubrium sterni. This is the manubrium sterni. Posteriorly by upper 4 thoracic vertebrae from T1 to T4, 4 thoracic vertebrae, and superiorly plane of the thoracic inlet, and inferiorly it is the imaginary line passing through the sternal angle to the lower border of the T4 vertebrae. So all these are the borders of the superior mediastinum. And what is the importance of this space actually? And what are the contents present in the mediastinum, superior mediastinum? Okay, so here, out of all these remaining mediastinal spaces, so the contents which are more in the superior mediastinum. So it consists of muscles, arteries, veins, nerves, and also glands, ducts, lymph nodes, and also the visceral organs like trachea and esophagus. So if you go back and say this inlet of thorax, what are the structures passing through the inlet of the thorax? Almost all those structures are related to this superior mediastinum. Okay. Now, so the organs which are passing from behind, that means posterior, so backwards to posterior to anterior, are the main structures. One is the trachea, esophagus more posteriorly, and then trachea, and then the arch of aorta and its branches, and pulmonary trunk and superior vena cava and its branches, upper part of the superior vena cava and its branches, and also some of the muscles which are present anteriorly are sternohyoid muscles and sternothyroid muscles. Okay, and also gland is present called thymus gland, and on the posterior side you'll have another muscle called as lower ends of longus colli muscles. So these are the structures passing from posterior to anterior, the major structures, and also some of the nerves, vagus, phrenic and cardiophrenic nerves on both sides, and left recurrent laryngeal nerve, and also thoracic duct and lymph nodes. So those structures we are going to see in the next video. So these are the boundaries and the major structures passing through this superior mediastinum. So what are the borders? So the superior mediastinum, anteriorly it is bounded by manubrium sterni, posteriorly by the upper 4 thoracic vertebrae, superiorly by the plane of thoracic inlet, and inferiorly it is by an imaginary line which is passing through the sternal angle to the lower border of the T4, which separates the superior mediastinum with that of the inferior mediastinum. So on the structures passing through this mediastinum is almost same as that of the structures which are passing through the inlet of thorax. Okay, now we are going to see the contents in detail in the next video. Thank you.